Hi guys, and welcome to 123 My IT's tutorial on how to remote control your iPhone on a Mac using a tool called, or an application called Veency and Java. Veency tight Java viewer. Okay, so alright, so how we do this, guys, is first of all you need to jailbreak your iPhone. Once you've done that, you can go to Cydia and download a copy of what's called Veency. Now there's a tutorial on, I've got other video tutorials on my YouTube site, so if you subscribe there you'll see those, and also a tutorial on how to jailbreak your iPhone. Okay, so once you've done that and you've installed Veency, okay, what you can then do is go to Safari. Alright, type in our web address www.123myit.com and then hit return. Once you've done that, just scroll down and click on Downloads menu. Alright, scroll down again, and at the bottom there under the tight Veency you'll see there's a 64-bit version and 32-bit version software. That's for Windows, and then you'll see Java for Mac. That's actually the tight Veency viewer for Macintosh. So click on that one, download it. Okay, you see that the Windows will actually come up. Okay, you'll need to go through and install these, but what you can do is you can go into No SSH, right click and click on the tight Veency Java and click Open. And you need to right click because otherwise it says that this is an unidentified application and it won't run it. So then you click Open. Alright, and then it will come up with a tight Veency connection. It'll ask you to make a new connection. Okay, so I'll just go into my iPhone here and I'll show you what we've got. Okay, so this is your iPhone. You go into Settings, and if we scroll down, we'll just double check Veency. Alright, Veency is enabled, show cursor, and the password is set, so that's good. And then if we go back and we scroll up to Wi-Fi, and just make sure it has a Wi-Fi connection, and also we need to know the IP address here. So the IP address here is 10.1.1.8. Okay, so we're going to type that in over here, back on our Veency connection, which it already is. Hit connect. Okay, type in our password there, click on log on, and then you'll see we now have remote connection to the phone. Alright guys, so that's it. That's our tutorial on how to connect remote connect to your iPhone using Veency on a Mac. And if this video was helpful, please leave feedback and also leave a thumbs up. Thanks guys, bye bye.